Now we are going to see computer programming in C++ for 3rd BSc Physics students. Let's see Unit 1 first. What is C++? Introduction, tokens, keywords, identifiers and constants, declaration of variables, data types, operators in C++, control structures, and a simple C++ program. In this class, we are going to see introduction, tokens, keywords, identifiers, and constants. First, let us see introduction. C++ is an object-oriented programming language. It was developed by Johannes Tronstrup at AT&T Bell Laboratories in USA 1980s. Tronstrup, an admirer of Simula 67 and a strong supporter of C, wanted to combine best of both the languages and create a new language called C++. C++ is an extension of C with a major addition of class constructor. Since the class was a major addition to the original C language, Strasbourg initially called the new language as C with classes. Later in 1983, it was renamed as C++. is an increment operator used in C++ language. During the early 1990s, the language underwent a number of improvements and changes, and in November 1997, the ANSI and ISO Standards Committee standardized these changes and added several new features to this language. Tokens. The smallest individual units in a program are known as tokens. More than one token can appear in a single line separated by white spaces. White space may be blank, carriage written, or tab. Let us see the examples of a token. Here, float main parenthesis. So float is a token, main is a token, parenthesis is a token. Like that, integer a comma b comma c semicolon. Here int is a token, a is a token, comma is a token, b is a token, and semicolon is a token. So in a single line, there are so many tokens are there. C++ has the following tokens: keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, and operators. Now we are going to see keywords. Keywords are words which belong to C++ language. Already the word which was predefined meaning in a C++ program is called as keywords. The users have no right to change its meaning. Keyword should be written in lowercase. So keywords are nothing but it has standard predefined meaning already set up in a C++ language, and it should be in a lowercase. See some examples of keywords here. ASM, auto, break, case, catch, cur means character, class, constant, continue, default, delete, like that. All the terms here we are using should be written in lowercase only. These words have predefined meaning in C++ language. We can't, that is the programmer can't change the meaning of that particular word. The next one, identifiers. Identifiers means the programmer can create a new variable name, function name, or class name that we used to call it as identifiers. Keywords means already fixed in C++ language. Identifier means programmer can give a name of a variable, function, array, or class name. For example, if you are giving details about students means we can give the name of the class as class student. If you want to write a function means that function name we can write it as function student. Like that, the programmer can give the name of an identifier. They are the fundamental requirement of any language. Each language has its own rules for naming these identifiers. Here are some rules for identifiers. Only alphabetic characters, digits, and underscore are permitted. The name cannot start with a digit. Uppercase and lowercase letters are distinct. A declared keyword cannot be used as a variable name. So identifier name is a separate name. We can't use any keyword name as an identifier name. The next one, we are going to see constants. Constants means it's a fixed value in a program. During the execution of the program, we can't change the value of it. For example, if you are fixing a is equal to 75 means In that program we have to take a is equal to 75 only. Like C++ supports several kinds of literal constants. They include integers, characters, floating point numbers and strings. Literal constants do not have any memory locations. Here are some examples of constants. 123 is a decimal integer, 12.34 means floating point integer, then 03 is an octal integer, 0x2 hexadecimal integer, C++ string constant, A character constant, and LIB wide character constants. These are all some examples of constants. So in this class we have seen about tokens. Tokens means nothing but individual unit in a program, a smallest individual unit in a program. In a single line there are so many tokens are there. And then keywords. Keywords means the words which belong to C++ language. They have standard predefined meaning. It should be written in lower case. And the next one, identifier. Identifier means the programmer can give the name of a variable, function or class. So there are some rules for identifiers. And then constants means it refers to fixed values that do not change during the execution of a program. Here are some examples of constants. Okay, so in this class we have seen tokens, keywords, identifiers and constants.